What is up, YouTube? This is Mayank Sharma from Varchaswa Trading. I hope you had a blast day because market provided us with the exact same setup, exact same move which we predicted one day before when markets were over 150 points, and still we had a short bias. And where did market open? Exactly at our algorithmic level of 15507, right? So I'll come to that in 2 minutes, but before that I like to address something about some negative people, trying to troll me or trying to put out their negativity. They are losing things on our platform. So I want you to know that I don't even recall the name of that, something Sahu. And yeah, you were saying something about the gap up, right? What happened to your gap up, bro? 150 point gap up, some Sahu and LCI, if I recall that correctly. So I didn't see you guys once when market actually opened in our favor 300 400 points yet, which even I also predicted. What happened to you then? Tried to troll me yesterday. What happened to you today? Right. So kindly know your space before you speak. Know who you are speaking to. Know who you are before you try to go trolling people on the internet. Right. So, and for every negative comment we have, for every hater we have thousands of were appreciating people, and I am glad to serve you all, right? So before I get more angry, let's give me 2 minutes to calm me down. And before any further ado, let's get started, right? So let's see what happened today and what did we do in the mentorship group, right? So if we see, we had a bearish bias. I gave a hero zero of around 24 rupees. I gave a hero zero of around 24 rupees around this, and I also shorted some very deep in the money options. Very deep in the money options. Same I uploaded, and here what did happen? See, this is where I had this 15400 deep in the money option, and I made quite handsome returns on that, right? And that's why I always tell you to never ever miss a YouTube video, because market more often than not does what we predict it to do, and you will be in a much better position if you are able to connect with our videos, right? So what happened? This is yesterday. So we gave a hero zero of around 24 rupees. Okay, this I gave yesterday 324, and I want everyone to remember this, right? And what, let's say what happened today. SGX opened in morning around 15,530, 100 points down from even my selling point, right? 150 point overnight gains plus more 100 points, that is 250 points gap down on SGX. And some people are, I was talking about trolling here. As I say, don't care about the global market overnight. If you have a trade, if you have a vision, stick to it, or rather don't take the trade, right? And that is where the difference between everyone else and the Varchaswa stands. Able to, the ability to catch tops and bottoms confidently and even on a public platform. So this is what it is about. And we had this option, I sold as option 317, and I was at a gain of more than 30% in this. And why did I choose to sell deep in the money options? Because of hefty premiums, and I was very confident on my trade. And this is my another account. I had this 15400 put overnight 30 rupees. It went to around 57 rupees. The high it made is of 100 and something, 110 I guess. So right, I even went more in the money. I squared my that position off, and I again shorted these premiums at around 333 rupees, 5200 CE. And what happened? What happened? We shorted here. Market opened at 15507. That was our algorithmic level, if I told you. And this is the review of one of our beloved Royal Mentee. Hey Mayank, happy morning. Yesterday's P call you gave is awesome. Master stroke only champions can have this conviction. How did you give this call? And then I went on to explain him. Um, this was my capital deployed. See, 15400 put. I made more than 100% return on capital on this, right? And let's see. And this was a selling position we executed. We had more than 1 is to 18 R in this trade itself. And this was overnight view, but we also, as everybody knows, we catch tops and bottoms every day consistently with mentees. So we were also able to take the low bottom of the day with this trade. Hitar sir and Aditya sir were able to catch this great swing in like intraday, like more than 100 110 points scalping. 1 is to 10, 1 is to 8 R. What else do you need, right? And we also shared all the setups with our mentees and with the constant live market guidance, so that they can make money under our guidance, right? So they don't make losses and they don't get trapped. And this is our free telegram subscriber. Hey, my level is amazing indeed. Thank you. and this is the ROI which I was able to get. These are all my positions. I show my self positions, my put buys, and all this. I also take the same call which I gave you, right? And these are the returns. That put made high of more than 60. So 24 to 60, more than 150%. Your capital would have been 1.5x, more than double, right? And this, see, 24 to 15, and that hero zero we gave. And overnight we were able to capture this move. Overnight 315 points, and intraday 167 points. And let's see, where were we? Minecraft protection, amazing, thank you. And this, I am a little bit late today because I was busy in a session, royal session. So let's see what is the plan for tomorrow, right? What is the plan for tomorrow? I told you that below this level I will look for selling opportunities only. Market even yesterday were not buy on dips for me positionally. We took advantage of this momentum, obviously, but not positionally. You have to know when to position yourself in which kind of trades if you are serious about this skill, right? So what are the levels for tomorrow? The levels for tomorrow are 15514.85. This is one of the most important level, but this is the most critical level. This level of 15580.85, 15580.85. Unless markets are breaking this and are sustaining of this level, we will not be bullish. Any bullish momentum won't sustain above this. if if markets are starting to hold this level, then we will see a quick bounce of more than 300 points above this point. We can see this even intraday. We can see the target of 15900 itself. 15900 itself we will be able to see if markets are able to sustain above this level. But unless markets are able to sustain above this, every bounce is a sell on rise opportunity for us. Remember the level: 15514, 15580, 15656. The positional view, why positional view for Nifty is, if markets break this yesterday or tomorrow, if market break yesterday's low like this, if markets were able to sustain about yesterday's low, something like this, and we are able to sustain below this low at any point of time, our target for Nifty will be intraday 15240, and positionally we can even see 14920 as well as this target. These are all my positional targets. 14700 for now. After 1400, 14743, what market will do? Market will give a quick bounce and then we'll again sell it. This is all, cycles. Markets just don't work on, your so-called breakout structures and everything like that. There are a lot of things that go into markets, and as you see our levels, you all know. So that is why you cannot close yourself in a little box to say that I trade only this, I trade only this. Then you won't be successful much. So that is what I am telling you. So if markets are able to sustain below this, then we will see a good fall, and we will give a good hero zero, and which I'll update on this free Telegram community. So if you are not in this community of more than 936 subscribers, do join in. We gave you expiry hero zeros, and not even once in so long time we have failed. Our expiry hero zeros have on average given a return of more than 1000 to 4000%. That is 10x to 4x of our capital consistently over expiries, right? But the rule for expiries are: take a very small risk, don't put all your eggs in one call, and yeah, basically that's how you proceed with this. So just join this channel, and this will help you guide in the live markets. And let's see the bank nifty. Let's see the view for bank nifty. Right? Bank nifty, if see bank nifty, international markets are showing a gap up, but as you know, we don't care about that much. If bank nifty sustains below the level of 32740, 32765.25, but how it should be, it should either open below here, or it should open a good gap from here and then break this. It should not open flat and break this. If this open flat and break this, market will be volatile. So we want either a gap down opening or a little gap up opening before this level breaks. So below 32765.25 we will see a good fall. The target will be 32463 and 32182. These are the levels, kindly mark on your chart. But if markets are opening above 33,007 level, 33,007 level, if markets are opening above this and were sustaining above this, then in bank nifty we will see a huge bounce of approximately 400 points. We will see the target of 33418.952. So these are the levels for bank nifty. Bank nifty I won't prefer much because bank nifty is very volatile these days, and nifty looks good to me. I like nifty more. Nifty moves more than Bank Nifty these days. Bank Nifty is bound in a range, and yeah, if we get this momentum after 12, that will be icing on the cake, right? So I hope you all had a blast day with us today, and do show your appreciation in the comment section so that negative people can know what difference is there, right? And we don't even care about that, to be very honest. I'm just doing this because I like interacting with you people. I like spreading out value to you people. Whoever supports us, I am very 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 humble for all of you, and I am very grateful to you, right? So with this sweet note, I'll see you tomorrow in the live market. I'll guide you. I'll not let you sit in the wrong direction, and I'll try my best to always guide and always support all of you. So with this, I bid you a bye and a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.